Alright, so line number 5, algebra 1. So we're going to add 7 to both sides of the inequality. So you wind up with 4x is less than 16. Divide each side by 4. So we find that x is less than 4 because 16 over 4 is 4. Interval notation, so this is going to negative infinity. So if we read from left to right, negative infinity to 4, it's a round bracket of 4. Number 3, add 5 to, or subtract 5 from both sides. So x over 6 is greater than 3. Multiply each side by 6. So x is greater than 18. So we want values bigger than 18. So interval notation is a round bracket from 18 because we don't have an equal sign going to infinity. Number 5, we're going to add 23 to both sides. So I get 6x is greater than 48. 25 plus 23 is 48. Divide each side by 6. So x is greater than 8. Again, we have a round bracket at the 8, and we're going to infinity. Infinity will always have the rounded bracket at it. Next problem, I'm going to distribute negative 6 over the parentheses. Make sure you carry the negative and change your signs inside. Again, multiply over negative 14 over the parentheses. Distribute that to both. What's 14 times 5? What do you guys think? Yeah, there you go, we got 70. Alright, so we have to figure out, we need to get x's on one side and numbers on the other. So maybe I would choose to add 14x to both sides. And then maybe I subtract 6 from both sides. So those cancel. So this is going to give me 8x on this side. Those cancel. We already canceled the 14x's. And that will give me 64. Divide each side by 8. And you get x is less than or equal to 8. So we want values smaller than it. So from negative infinity to 8. Also a rounded bracket because we don't have an equal sign. This next problem, we have the equal sign. So we know we have a square bracket that's going to take place someplace as long as it works out. Let's see, let's get the x, move the x's over. So if I subtract 2x from both sides, you're going to notice you wind up getting 7 is less than or equal to 8. Well, this happens to be true. All our x's went away, so this is infinite solutions. Some people might put all real numbers, something like that. Your choice how you want to label it. If that was a false statement, that would be no real solutions. Number 11 is a word problem, so I'll just read through it. And so it says the students in charge of the class booth at a carnival would like to earn $3 for every item they sell. They spent $55 for the materials to make the items, then solve the inequality. So we have this inequality that came from the word problem. So that would be where they start making money. So it cost $3 to make the item. They spent $55 just getting their materials. So I'm going to add 55 to both sides. So I get 3x is greater than or equal to 120. Divide each side by 3. So x is greater than or equal to 40, which means they have to sell 40 items to be even if they sell more than that. So at 40 items, they're even, square bracket, and then if they make beyond that, it goes to infinity. Have a great day, everybody. Take care, one another.